right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another live trading session. Today is Friday, March the 15th, and we're going to go ahead and put on another trade, take a look at our hedges, and do the rolling. And Friday is our hedging day, so we'll take a look at that as well. And it's almost St. Patrick's here in Ireland, in a couple of days. It's a big deal here. I know it's celebrated around the world as well, but you can imagine how wild it is here. In any case, the market is down today, which is good news for us since we're putting on a new trade. And right after the session, we're going to go into mastermind session with the Discord members. So to start off, let's take a look at our positions here. And I filled this up here. So our VIX is at 15, our Delta 112, Theta 32, buying powers is at 15.8, Netflix 65, 648. As you can see, we are in a good position. Nothing is overextended, so we are free to go ahead and put on another trade. Let's take a look here at our metrics as well. Our target weekly premium is roughly in the neighborhood of 1300. We can do that with one ES trade most of the times, or we can break it into couple of days, 2-3 days, and do 3 or 5 MES trades. Right now we're doing those so that we can do a few more trades per week. But you can choose to do one ES trade as well. That's nothing wrong with that. And let's see. Full book wipe 14%. That's before any of the PDSs kick in. Everything looks fine. With the 15 VIX, we are targeting 12 delta. So let's take a look and see what market is giving us today. Let's go to MES. Oops, trade, and let's see, 97 days. It's probably where we're gonna go. And at 12 delta, we have a few here. Let me just go to the next expiration just to start that and have it fresh. Let's go here, 12 delta. This is 31. If we go to quantity 3, 4, 5, this is giving us about a little bit more than half of our required weekly premium. So we can do that. So let's go ahead and try and close 5 of these. Let's see if we can get a full value, 31. If not, we're just gonna go down and just go a quarter down and see if this should fill, I think. Yeah, 30.75. So 30.75, let me just put that down, 30.75 times 5 times 5 and then times 5, so 768 roughly what we collected. So let's go to 77 days, and what we're going to try and do is do either one larger put debit spread or 2 narrower ones. But let's see, around 30, let's see, let's go here. And if we collected 768 divided by 5, that would be, we could do two 75s, or we could do 125, or let's see, 50. So we could do this one. Let's see. We should be spending times 0.2 up to $153. So we could do this one, do 100. Okay, so if we could get this close, this would be nice. This is within 20%, and even if we go a little bit down and make sure that we get, yeah, I kind of like this. Gives us a nice 150 wide, which is basically covering in value, covering the full premium received, because you multiply this 150 by 5, you know, and you get there. So let's just see if we can close this real quick and call it a day. Boom, done. All right, so that's done. We're gonna record that. And also today's Friday, so it is our hedging day. So let's take a look at that. We have 2 rolling puts that we do on Fridays. So right now, if we take a look here, this is what we have. We're gonna close those, and we're gonna get, let's see if we can get this. Boom. All right, we got 50. So let's just record this. Closing credit 0.5 today is right here. Oops, what did I do? Okay, I had to do it manually. My shortcut is not working. I don't know why. I'll see that later. So, interesting. We only got 50. I didn't even pay attention. We only got 50 with the market being down. Huh? See, but anyhow, let's go back to 14 days. No 14 days. So we're gonna have to go 13 or 17. Let's see here, 13. We go to a high 1 delta and do 2 of those. Remember, our hedging budget here allows us for 126 per week, and we are spending around 50, 55, maybe 60 on each of these. So we are good to do 2 of these. So we can do, because it says 160 here, but remember we are getting some money back, so so that's fine. So we might do this one, or let's go here, this 2 of these. All right, somebody is not on mute, so let me just do that. Mute, okay. And all right, let's quickly record our trades. And any questions, guys, while we're doing this? 54. We did MES. Something wrong with the short. Normally I click control and semicolon, but it okay. And what did we, let's see, the strike right here. Take a look at strike. 4,700 is what we did. 4,700, and it was 97 days, I want to say, but let's double check. 98 days, and we received 3075, and we did 5 of them. So there you go. All right, so that's now filled. We go to our put debit spread. We're gonna call it 55. It was MES, and just 15, 320, 15, 324, and let's take a look at our strikes. 50, 25, 50, 25, and then 40, what is it, 48.75, is it? Let me just double check. 48.75, yeah, that's correct. And we 28, we pay 28.25 minus 28.25. Oh, same as the one before here, yeah. So this was in 77 days, and we did one of them. The difference being this one was 125 and this one is 150, so a little bit more coverage with this one for the same price. So we are good there. And then let's go to hedges. Make sure we record our rolling long put. It was in ES and it's 15,324, and the strike 45.50. Oh, the same strike as we had here, but it was 13 days for some reason today, and we paid. What did we pay? What is the? Oh, it's. What did we pay? What? Oh, it looks like we didn't. For some reason, I thought we closed this one. I missed it. All right, so we're gonna replace this one and just go 160 and close it. All right, so 160 minus 1.6, and we did two of them. All right, and that's enough for that. We recorded everything. We're fine. Let's take a look at our account real quick. Once we have all the hedges, we can take a look at this. I mean, I wouldn't put too much stock in these graphs here. They're very misleading, but you know, it's just good to take a look and see that there is a decent hump before the drawdown here, which will protect us a little bit, but it will lift the T+0 line as it goes down. Without that, we would go straight down. So that's the idea there. And one more thing I wanted to do is I forgot. I guess that's it. Let's take a look at the trading day here. It gives us Wednesday, the 20th, and this is because this is a little bit more than half, and the spreadsheet calculates how many days it covers. So it says Wednesday, so we should be fine. And I think that's all. Unless there's any other questions, I will stop the recording and we'll go over to the mastermind session in a few minutes. I'll post a link in the Discord. All right. Have a fantastic weekend all.